Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to compare two tables in Microsoft Access. This is an incredibly useful skill when you need to identify records that exist in one table but not in another, helping you spot missing data or discrepancies between datasets. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin the comparison process. To compare two tables in Microsoft Access, start by clicking on the Create tab at the top part of your screen. This is where all your creation tools are located, giving you access to forms, reports, queries, and more. From here, look for the Query Wizard button and click on it. This wizard will guide you through the process of building your comparison query step by step. A small Query Wizard window will appear on your screen. For the new query type, select Find Unmatched Query Wizard, then click on OK. This specific wizard is designed to help you find records in one table that don't have matching records in another table, which is exactly what we need for comparing data. The window will transform into the Find Unmatched Query Wizard interface. Now you'll need to select the initial table you want in the query result. This should be the table where you're looking for unmatched records. Once you've selected it, click on Next to proceed to the second step. For the second part, select the table that contains the records you want to compare against. This is your reference table. Click on Next again to move forward. Now comes the mapping process, which is crucial for accurate comparison. You'll see fields from both tables displayed, and you need to check and match the fields by clicking on the Match button in the middle. This mapping process tells Access which column headers from the two tables you wish to compare against each other. Take your time here to ensure you're matching the correct fields, as this determines how the comparison will work. Once you've mapped the appropriate fields, click on Next. Now you'll select the fields you wish to compare between the two tables. Note that you can add multiple fields if you want to include more information in your comparison results. Simply click on the fields you need and add them to your query. This step determines what information will be displayed in your final results. Click on Next when you're satisfied with your selection. Lastly, enter a name for this query so you can easily identify it later in your database. Choose something descriptive that reflects what you're comparing, then click on Finish to complete the process and generate your comparison results. And there you have it. You've successfully created a comparison query that shows you which records exist in one table but not in another. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.